When should you replace your wiper blades? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Here in the desert, that can be a pretty frustrating subject because with our high temperatures and our dry climate, sometimes you replace your wiper blades and by the next time it finally rains, they're rotted away again. So a couple of things that you can do regularly to see if they're getting super old is you can just grab a hold of the end of the rubber right here and just tug on it. You don't have to pull super hard. We tug on them here. If it tears, it's definitely time to replace them. Otherwise, if it's not cleaning your windshield well or it's chattering, probably a good time to do the blades. But if you're still having problems, having the blade adjusted so it makes sure it's square on the windshield and make sure it's touching all the way across. So we might have to increase the tension on it or something. Those are adjustments that can be made to help the wiper blades work better. And then sometimes you do all of that stuff and it's still pollutants or contamination on the windshield. Rain-X is a great product. I like to use it every time before I go on a trip because I'm in the desert, it hardly rains, but I might go up to the mountains or visit someone out of state. And by the time I get there, it's raining and I need those wipers to work. And so having clean surface that's got a treatment on it will really help your wiper blades work tremendously better. So at the end of the day, you might have to just replace them regularly here in the desert just to kind of stay on top of it. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.